You're going to be hearing a lot more about Title IX after legal action by the state of Louisiana. But what is it? Title IX is the most commonly used name for the landmark federal civil rights law in the United States that was enacted as part of the Education Amendments of 1972. It prohibits discrimination based on sex in education programs and activities that receive federal financial assistance. Among other things, it gave female athletes equality in sports at colleges and universities that receive federal funds. Last week, the Biden administration announced an expansion of Title IX to include protection for LGBTQ+ and pregnant students, overhauling Trump-era guidance. Now the state of Louisiana is suing the Biden administration over those changes. KBLC's Stephanie Obadiku spoke with viewers on how they feel about this new legal action.
The DOE published Title IX regulations intended to remake American societal norms through classrooms, lunchrooms, bathrooms, and locker rooms of American schools. Make no mistake, these rules eviscerate Title IX.
Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrell, Governor Jeff Landry, and State Superintendent of Education Cade Brumley held a press conference this morning announcing that the state has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Education following the new Title IX regulations signed by President Joe Biden on Friday. In a statement released by the U.S. Department of Education, they said, "The final regulations advance Title IX's promise of ensuring that no person experiences sex discrimination, including sex-based harassment or sexual violence, in federal-funded education." There's been mixed reviews on this new regulation. We spoke with Stacy Ribicho, who has a school-aged child.
I do feel like it is necessary for us to protect the children, but not from the horrid cabal that is apparently behind the LGBTQIA people. It's from the people who do not understand or do not want to understand the life that we have to go through in order to just be happy.
Another parent, Jennifer James, is happy that the state officials quickly jumped to file this suit.
Everybody has their own opinions. You can love who you love. You can be who you want to be. I'm fine with that. I'm just not fine with you forcing me to do something because you're uncomfortable like that. And I understand that. I agree with the fact that if they're uncomfortable, something needs to be done. But don't force the other kids to be uncomfortable. My daughter is 13, so I have an area that I have to protect her. This is my job.
The ruling is supposed to be implemented nationwide August 1st, but Mississippi, Montana, and Idaho are joining the suit. Stephanie Obadiku, 7 News.